Hello everyone and welcome to Flying Guns Academy. So continuing with the previous set of programs where we are talking about conditional statements, the other example we are going to take is of to find whether the number is even or odd. So to begin we'll write vm even odd dot c. Now again before starting I have taken the logic behind finding it in a previous video. Press the I button and watch the video. So it contains all the logic to find whether the number is even or odd. Okay, so you can go there before watching this program if you're not clear about the logic. There I've talked about how to tackle a program, how to create a logic. So very quickly we'll again write hash include stdio.h. Where is it? Capital, yes, int main printf, enter a number, scanf %d and %num. Okay, I forgot to declare a variable as num. Now logic is if the number is divisible by 2, it is even. If it is not, it is odd. Very simple. So if num divisible is this modulus sign, so num %2 means that it will give the remainder when the number is divided by 2. Okay, so if the number is even, the remainder will always be 0. If the number is odd, the remainder will always be 1. Again, you can watch the video, click on the I button where I have talked the logic about finding if a number is even or not. So this is what is important over here. This is another operator. We have seen plus, minus, multiplication and division. So this is percentage, like modulus. So it will give the remainder when you divide num by 2. So if the remainder equal to 0, right, we'll printf number is even. Else printf number is odd. So we'll see gcc even odd dot c a dot out, enter number 45, number is odd, enter number 34, number is even, enter number 1 2 8 9 2, number is even because it's ends with 2, number is odd. Nice. Again, you can do anything. There are multiple ways of solving a problem, like I always told. So let's say we just change it. Instead of equal to, we will say not equal to. Again, this is the operator for using not equal to. See, all these things you can either learn from theory. Okay, you can pick up a book, you can learn equal to operator, ampersand and operator, or operator and this operator. I am teaching in terms of practical programming as and when it is required. So if we want to say not equal to, this is how we write not equal to, exclamation mark and equal to. So this is equal to, this is not equal to. So according to the same logic, if the remainder is not 0, we can be sure that the number is odd. Else we can be sure the number is even. Simple, right? Pretty basic. Compile it again. A dot out 44, number is even. A dot out 57, number is odd. Okay, so this is it. Simple program to write whether the number is even or odd. Next we'll move on to loops, which I'll be taking in the next lecture.